21st century. '21st century, another summer day. Dropped my student off and I was on my way. Malcolm School of Motoring, heading back for home. And something down the road made me ease off and slow. Wasn't flashing blue lights, wasn't traffic in a queue, just horses and carriages coming into view. I pulled up and waited, gave them plenty of space, because sometimes there's no reason to be running a race. Horses on the road to Skegness, now there's something you don't see. Who's upon the highway, rolling right past me? I waited there patiently, let the whole parade roll through. In this 21st century world, it felt like 1892. Got back on thinking, well, that's that. Parked up the Corsa, took off my hat. But down by the red line, what did I see? Those horses and carriages had beaten home me. There were hundreds of them. Okay, maybe not hundreds. But there were plenty enough to make me stare. Horses and carriages everywhere. Horses at the Red Lion, stopping for a drink. For a moment I was dismayed, didn't know quite what to think. Then I looked around that summer scene, and suddenly I knew what a wonderful sight had just come rolling through. Sometimes we're always rushing, always watching time, thinking where we're going, following that white line. But every now and then, something makes you slow. Something from another age comes traveling down the road. Chrome and computers, sat-navs telling us the way. Turbo engines, mobile phones, 21st century every day. But horses don't need Bluetooth, and carriages don't need maps. They just keep on rolling while the modern world steps back. Horses on the road to Skegness, what a summer sight to see. Carriages by the Red Lion, right there in front of me. At first I was dismayed, and I didn't want them gone. But 5 short minutes later, every single one moved on. The load went quiet again, like they'd never even been. Just another summer afternoon, back in 2016.